Am I the only one that didn't know alarm clocks could be this lethal? Introducing the Radia-Wake alarm clock. Because who needs a plain old beep, right? This bad boy doesn't just wake you up, it gradually leaks radiation the longer you snooze. Need a few more minutes? Sure, but say hello to an extra dose of fun rays. It's like having a mini Chernobyl right on your nightstand. Forget coffee. This clock gives you the ultimate jolt. And hey, if the morning news isn't enough to scare you out of bed, the Radia-Wake will do the trick. Because nothing screams rise and shine like the threat of a glowing complexion. So set your alarm and remember, cancer, but fun. Sweet dreams if you dare.